Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Today's kind of a special day. We have a few things to cover. I thought I would do a birthday shave since it is 15 years since the company started in 2010. And I'll just use the exact same razor that I used on my first shaving video back in 2010, the Merkur 34C. This is the original exact razor that I shaved with on that day. You can see it's a little bit dirty, it's a little bit worn. The knurling on the handle. This is what I'll use, along with a feather blade and Tobbs Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood Shaving Cream, which is what I used on that first shave. As I said, it's my birthday. Let's verify that. Hey Siri, what day is it today? Can you see that? There we go. It's Friday, November 7th, 2025. Legit. I just wanted you to know that it is actually my birthday, and this will be the shave on my birthday. And if you stick with me till the end, there will be a nice little surprise that I would like to share with you because you're responsible for me having it. It's right here. So if you stay till the end, it's sealed, you can see. We will open this bad boy up and you can see what it looks like, and I can see what it looks like. So let's get to the shave. I'm actually going to put a link to that first video right here in the upper corner so you can check that out, and you can see, tell me in the comments if you feel that the videos have improved a bit. Lighting, sound, the way I come across, all that stuff from 15 years ago. I feel that it's always been a work in progress, which it has. I'm always trying to switch things up and make it better. So we'll keep doing that. And by the way, this comes by getting 100,000 YouTube subscribers. So I thank you all for that because I couldn't do that without each and every one of you. Someone told me a long time ago, you can't have $100 if you don't have $1. So without every single one of you and your support, I would not be having this. So I thank you in advance before I open it for that. All right, let's get to the shave. Tobbs Sandalwood Shave Nation bowl. I didn't have this back in the day, but I'm having it now. Fill it with hot water to warm it up. Pour out that water. Here's the Tobbs Sandalwood. There it is. Got the Shave Nation scoop spoon right here. I'm going to scoop a little bit out. That much. Get it down on the side of the bowl and push it down with the brush. I'll be using this cheap little Parasso Omega boar brush right here. Not expensive, basic brush. Under the hot water, push that shaving cream down to the bottom and commence to swirling. You can see very quickly that lather builds up. Starts coming up around the brim. So scoop it back down and just keep swirling. I think I can build lather a lot faster and better than I could in that first video. I actually feel like a lot of things are better than that first video. It was a little rough, to be honest with you. And somebody said the other day, I've been posting a lot of these short videos with music behind them because, you know, I love, a lot of people like the quick, 1 second clip, and they kind of it jumps through the shave very quickly from beginning to end. And I always was hoping that they would allow you to put music in the videos because I think they would be that much better with music behind them. And they certainly, I love the music, so I keep trying to pick some good songs that you all like, and it seems to be working out pretty good. Here's the lather, very nice lather. No problem mixing that up. I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. You can see my face is good and warm. I'm going to dry the fingers. All right, here we go with our lather. Plenty of lather here. Very nice. Nice peaks. Nice and thick. Creamy. That great Tobbs Sandalwood scent. One of my all-time favorite shaving creams for sure. Work it in. Drive that cream into the beard, soften it, elevate, hydrate the beard, prepare it for the shave ahead. You can go circular, you can dab, you can paint. Figure 8, smooth everything out. Get rid of the bumps and clumps. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. Let's get a blade in this razor. Feather blade. Remove it from the package. Fight through that glue to open it and remove the blade. There we go. Here's the razor. Merkur 34C. I've called it the workhorse of the industry. Here's the blade. Drop it right over that long post and the 2 pins, like so. Drop that long threaded rod down into the handle. Tighten it up. You can see that reveal. Perfect every time on this razor. Here we go, under the hot water. And just like I did 15 years ago, with the grain, across the grain, and that might be it. Maybe we'll go against the grain too, we'll see. Finding that angle. The angle is where the top cap, safety bar, and blade all come together. That's the intuitive angle that you want to apply to your skin. And you'll know when it's working. You got the audible feedback, you could hear the beard being removed. It's all filled up. Flip it over. Work your way down. All filled up on both sides. Rinse. Now the left side, you could use your right hand or you can use your left hand. Whatever's good for you, you could do it either way. Might be easier for you to use the right if you're a righty. Whatever's more comfortable. I like to set out, demonstrate the way I do it, and you can always fine tune to suit yourself. Rinse. Rinses out very easily. Very smooth, excellent, everyday shaving razor. Made in Germany. I had a couple days beard growth. This razor, one pass, did a great job of removing it. Just a quick rinse. Grab our brush and our bowl and relather for a second pass. Now just a thin coat of shaving cream since the bulk of the beard has already been removed. Figure 8. Set the brush down. Swipe, swipe. Clear the runways again. All right, first pass was with the grain north to south. Now we'll go across. And my fingers are wet. No problem gripping this razor. Across the grain. Backhand. Cleft. Rinse. Against the grain on the neck. Rinse. Across the upper lip. First, on an angle, just clean out those hairs under the nose. Then lay it flat. Backhand, same thing. First the corner, then lay it flat. Little cleanup around the lips. Feel around. If you missed any spots, go back in. You could buff with a little water because the residual shaving cream is still on your face. If you had any spots, you could just buff it. If you had any trouble spots, little J hook, little buff, clean everything up. Okay, that's it. We are smooth. Awesome shave. Now a cold water rinse to the face. Cold water feels great. Get your Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap, soak it under the cold water, glide that all around the areas you shaved. Recap it, let it soak in for about 30 seconds, and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. Grab your aftershave, whatever that may be. Work it together. Awesome. As you can see, excellent 2-pass shave with the Merkur 34C, the workhorse of the industry, the razor that I used 15 years ago and started the business kind of off of that first initial video. I made the video for a friend, and then a month later I went and checked it and it had about 1,000 views. So I thought, whoa, maybe there's something here, there's some interest here. So I started making a few more videos, and then I also got 20 of my favorite products, this being one of them, this being the other one. And from that point, just kept going, had a website built, added products to it, and now we're up to over 3,000 products 15 years later. I can also post a link right here, the story of Shave Nation. You can hear the whole elaborate how everything got started by clicking on that. But the quick synopsis is I started off at home in a little home office and then moved to a different house where one entire bedroom was filled with shaving supplies, like 12 by 12 bedroom, floor to ceiling, and then moved to a different outside location. First outside the home location, that was 400 square feet, and then broke out of that place. Now we're in a 1,500 square foot, like super tall, so we have a lot of room for storage going up the walls in the warehouse and the vault and the office, all those things. So that's 1,500 square feet, and we are busting out of that already as well. I thank you for all your years of support, watching the videos, and visiting shavenation.com for your shaving supplies. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you, so thank you for your support. Now let me clear out some of this stuff out of the way, and then we can get to the unboxing. Rinse out the bowl, soak the brush, rinse the brush through running water, squeeze the brush gently to remove the bulk of the water. Give it a couple shakes. Set it in a stand upright like so to dry so that the water runs downward. Dry the bowl, clean it off so it's ready for next time. Rinse your razor under warm water. If you wish, you can remove the blade. You can put it up on your Shave Nation magnet up on the mirror so you're ready for next time. Let's make sure my fingers are dry. This actually came yesterday, one day before my birthday. It took supreme willpower to not open this when it came. It was delivered to the shop. Let's do it. Here's the box. Gonna open this up. Gonna open this up. This one here as well. Here we go. It's a nice hefty cardboard box. Oh, a nice sponge cover for protection. And a nice card here. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, please contact us. Okay, got it. Thank you. And then here's a letter. from YouTube. It says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. And then it goes on, and there's a lot to say here. And it's signed by the CEO of YouTube, Neil Mohan. Here's a look at it. I guess if you want to read that yourself, there's nothing too personal in there. You can stop it and read it yourself. And here is the plaque. Let me check. Presented to Geofatboy, Shave Nation Shaving Supplies, for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. There it is. Pretty awesome. That's a milestone for me. 15 years of hard work, grinding, putting out videos. So thank you all for that. I greatly appreciate this. Thank you for all your support. I thank all the team members at Shave Nation for all their support over the years. Here, let's remove it from the plastic. Beautiful brushed metal finish. It's chunky. It's got some good weight to it. You can see that. Very nice. So I thank you for all your support, helping me reach this milestone. I think that the next 100,000 subscribers will come a lot quicker than the first ones. To celebrate this milestone, we're going to have a sale this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So all you need to do is go to shavenation.com, pick out whatever you want, add your items to the shopping cart. When you go to checkout, enter the code MILESTONE, MILESTONE, and you'll get 15% off to commemorate 15 years in business and 100,000 subscribers. All products except Parasso, which we already sell at rock bottom prices. We'll get in trouble if we sell them any cheaper. So that's it. This weekend, Saturday and Sunday, you can stock up on something you've had your eye on. Go pick it up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 950 videos, shaving and more. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.